Almost every asset that crashed after COVID-19 hit the markets started to go up. People became excited, they started pouring in money on stock markets, crypto markets, became euphoric with profits. And if you are watching this video, there is a high chance you might have bought something as well as everything started to go up. But those happy times did not last long for a lot of people, especially for those who got in late to the markets. If you believe that the good times are going to last forever, it's time for you to understand more about the markets and take notice of what's going on. Just try to be a bit logical for a minute. A lot of cryptos gave more than 1000% returns in less than a year. If you get 1000% return from a particular asset in 1 year and you're expecting that it will give the same returns every year, can you imagine how much your wealth will grow? Let's say you start with $10,000 with a 1000% return every year. In 5 years you'll become a billionaire with something like this. Just do the math, it's not that complicated, but at the same time, it will somewhat be unrealistic to expect that you'll become a billionaire just like that. If everyone made money in the markets, people would have become billionaires. According to Forbes, as of 2021, there are only 2755 billionaires on this entire planet. Most investors make money when new money flows into the market, that is, in a bull market. Everyone will be setting unrealistic goals and expectations from the markets. Almost everyone will be euphoric and believe that the markets will always go up and the good times will last forever until one fine day they wake up with a rude shock as the markets tumble. Now, again, if you believe nothing is good, you're skeptical about everything just because the markets crashed and you are in loss, it's time for you to understand and learn more. Markets behave in cycles. It's always important to understand the basics of market cycles and then decide what needs to be done in a bull market and a bear market. Prices can go up, down, and subsequently we will have good as well as bad times and will make both profits as well as losses. You have to accept both. What you can do is minimize your losses as much as you can and the profits will follow. This, my friend, is how the markets work. It's always going to surprise you and push you to your limits and keep on challenging you. Sounds interesting now? Here comes a question. Why is it called a bull market or a bear market? Look at the image of a charging bull pointing its horn upwards or a bear while attacking its prey with its paws downwards. A bull, while attacking, will fling its target high up in the air, so in a bull market, prices of the assets will fly high in the air. Stock markets are probably one of the biggest bull markets and they have been rising ever since the 2008 market correction. Most of the big companies are increasing in value. Similarly, look at the image of a bear. Since it attacks with its paws from above and pins its prey down, in a bear market, prices will go down. Investors lose confidence and the prices of asset keeps on dropping. A lot of equities become volatile and lose value. When it comes to equities, a market is usually not considered a true bear market unless it has fallen 20% or more from recent highs. In a bear market, asset prices will be continuously dropping. Now, before you go, what do you think about the current markets? Are we in a bull market or are we in a bear market? Let us know in the comments below.